Nevada Regional Technical Center is one of the 58 technical education centers in Missouri, serving high school and adult students.
It serves as a central hub for the following school districts: Nevada, Bernal, Butler, El Dorado Springs, Hume, Miami, Northeast Vernon County, and Rich Hill school districts.
This gives them an opportunity to meet the needs of the area students and the demands of industry and post-secondary education.
Among the many programs the NRTC provides, the agricultural department is booming. Out of the 510 students who attend the Career Center, 120 students are currently enrolled in the agricultural course.
Agriculture is the largest single business in the world and continues to show rapid growth in the industry for goods and services. Vernon County has a long history of agriculture production and ranks 9th in the state for total agricultural sales.
This year, with the help of many local farmers, businesses, and agricultural community members, the Life Science Center was brought to life. This new building was donated to help with the current projects that agricultural classes provide to give real-world experiences to their students.
My name is Justin Ogle, a 1997 graduate of Nevada High School. Recently, I was asked to join the Ag Advisory Committee to put together a Life Science Center for the students of Nevada R5. This project started, and we were able to go raise money by going to local businesses and community members to get the funding to get this project done. All the money that was raised was able to complete the project in a timely manner, and this project will be used for the students to raise animals in there, work cattle, and store equipment that's been donated by grants and other things.
Hi, I'm Josh Merith, and I'm one of the agricultural education instructors here at the Nevada NRTC. And I'm going to be discussing with you some of the advantages of the new Animal Life Center that we just added here, and how it's going to help me as an instructor offer more hands-on opportunities for our students. It's one thing to talk to students about, what a pig goes through when you're putting in ear notches. It's a completely different learning experience when they're actually there physically holding the animal as it screams and wiggles around and you put those notches in its ear. It just gives them a really real world feel for things. We have a lot of students that say, hey, I want to be a vet someday. Well, let's go over there and let's actually give some vaccinations and let's actually see some sick animals and see how that changes their mindset. It also gives them a really real world of experience of, hey, these aren't just pets, these are going to be part of our food chain, and it gives them that interaction that they may not be able to get otherwise.
Hey guys, I am Braden Gast, and I am the treasurer of the Nevada FFA chapter, and I'm super excited about the new Animal Science Center. It provides a lot of hands-on learning activities, and in fact, I got to ear notch baby pigs that were born in that same building.
These classes give students the opportunity to engage in hands-on learning activities such as welding, transplanting cuttings, working with livestock, and giving sales presentations.
With growth in mind, the agricultural department strives to create more hands-on laboratory experiences, and these real-life experiences require enhanced facility for the implementation of these activities as well as the use and storage of equipment.
This multi-use building provides an appropriate space to conduct more extensive animal laboratory lessons and agriculture advocacy activities.
This gives not only current students, but future students an opportunity to be successful in more than just academics, but life.